Hi, welcome to the new monthly vlog. I know, this one's a little late, but life is like that sometimes. Austin's starting to work at the office more often, so we started out the month by renovating his space. He added some really cool sound panels, a new rug, some lighting, a mic stand. Overall, I think he did a really great job making his office feel more fun and cozy. I have to admit, I was really scared to upload the January vlog. Just because I talk about politics, and I don't know why I struggle so much to express my own opinion. I think it's because I'm from Oklahoma, and pretty much my entire life I have grown up disagreeing with the beliefs of the people around me. And so a lot of times it was just like easier to keep my mouth shut. I think that was a big realization I came to in 2020, was that like I shouldn't be afraid to talk about my values and my beliefs, because if someone vehemently disagrees with them, then I'm not gonna like them as a person. And that's okay. Like, I don't need those people in my life, and I have to be okay with a little bit of rejection. Like, it's not really a big deal. Besides, I am 27 years old. I'm a full-grown adult, you know what I mean? And with that, I have to stop being so afraid of this rejection from others. Like, I'm an adult. I'm gonna be 30 in a couple of years. Who cares what other people think of me, as long as I am content and happy with the person I am? So, yeah, God, but just publishing the January video made me really, really anxious. We got our first taste of the snowstorm on February 8th. Austin rode his bike to the office that day just like he normally does, but due to all the ice, he got stranded at the office. But thankfully, I was able to pick him up and get him home before it was too bad. Hopefully this will keep him from scratching the corner of our sofa anymore. I'm gonna put some catnip on. So I thought February was gonna be real uneventful until this freaking snowstorm showed up. Today's Thursday. Now they're saying on Sunday night that we should expect 6 to 10 inches of snow. This is like a record. Okay, anyway, I don't want to get distracted because today I'm sitting down to read my book club book. I did not read the one from January. We're almost halfway through February and I have not started. So I set aside an hour this morning to just drink my coffee and read it, because I don't know any other way that I'm going to read these books if I don't try to read for 30 minutes a day. There's so many things to distract me, like YouTube or TikTok or educational videos that I should be watching that I also don't watch. I don't know. I haven't been reading. So now I'm gonna read for an hour and drink my coffee. The snow only got worse as the month continued. In just a few days, we accumulated a foot of snow. It was honestly incredible to see and like really weird to experience in Oklahoma. Growing up, I rarely remember playing in the snow, and most of the time it snows a light dusting in Oklahoma a couple times per year. But this year, it's been so much. Like, remember in the January vlog, we also had snow on New Year's as well. Austin and I are not big holiday celebration people, so we celebrated Valentine's Day at home this year, which like really was our only option. We made potato and leek soup, which doesn't sound very romantic, I know. but it's a sentimental dish that we made a lot in France. When we were living in France, we were part of a food co-op, and they'd give us leeks a lot of the time, which I don't think I had had much before moving there. So every time we got these leeks, we'd prepare potato and leek soup. So now it's something that's just really delicious during the cold weather and, brings back good memories.
No one else built these walls, made of pure glass, higher to fall. No one else taking my calls. Can you see right through me?
Wow, it looks like a winter wonderland. Whoa, it's thick. Look at how far down those peppers go. Oh no. No! No! I don't want to do that. Why did you do that? You're more athletic than I am. Oh my god. Wait, stop! Yeah. I think it's more fun like that. Less fighting, please. Are you loving the snow? So far we haven't had any of the blackouts that they've been talking about in the city, thank goodness, but it's not over yet. We've got the snow coming down really, really hard right now. What's today, Tuesday? On Tuesday night, and then it's supposed to continue through Wednesday, and I think stop again on Thursday. But the snow this time is even crazier because we still have all the snow left from the weekend, so it's insane. Some of the snowdrifts I think are like 6 inches tall, I'd say.
Yeah.
Oh, is this how you're starting the snowman?
It's just a ball. It just depends if I can get it packing and picking up.
Oh yeah, it might be hard because this snow isn't packing much, huh?
Pretty dry snow, one would say. The thing about snow is it brings out everyone's childlike spirit. You can't help it when you're playing around in the snow. You go back to childhood.
Yeah, that's
Or at least I guess
not in
if
Oklahoma childhood.
I guess if you grew up somewhere cold with a lot of snow.
Oh, Snow Kitty! Oh! He said no. Before the virus, we'd walk to yoga class every Saturday morning in the Plaza District. We fell off the wagon once the studio closed last March, but recently we're back at it again, but virtually now. Now almost every Saturday we wake up for a 9 a.m. yoga class and then head to the Asian market for a steamed bun breakfast. Our delicious steamed buns. Oh my god, I cannot tell you how happy it makes me to eat these every week. It's like tasting little puffy clouds. Oh, they're so good. The snow is totally gone today. It's like, in the course of 2 days, all of the snow that took 2 weeks to accumulate is poof, gone. Looks like it wasn't even here. Well, it does look like it was here because there are some remnants. How am I supposed to get this out? At the end of the month, I finally pulled the trigger and got this thing called a litter robot. I've been thinking about this for a while, but it never would have worked in our old apartment because we just didn't have the space for it. Now that we've got 2 bathrooms, I wanted to see if it's something that the cats would take to, because I hate cleaning the litter box. Really is a lot bigger than I even thought it was gonna be. Like, take a little look. Turns out it's actually huge, like way bigger than I thought it would be. So far, our younger cat Sal, who we also call Kitten, uses it and really enjoys it. He took to it really quickly, he was very eager, and I was shocked that he wasn't afraid of it, because normally he's a very anxious cat. However, Our older cat, Sebastian, is absolutely uninterested. I didn't film a lot of the more challenging parts of this month. It was an emotionally hard month for me, and I had a lot of crying, but obviously I'm not going to sit around and record myself crying in front of a camera. I still want to start therapy this year, and I'm taking baby steps. Baby steps. I want to start going to therapy this year, and I'm doing the baby steps to get going. But if this is something you want to see more of, let me know. And that's all for this month's video. I'll see you guys next time.